Aren't trees fascinating? They can be so majestic. When you walk through a forest, do you ever wonder how they live in harmony side by side for hundreds of years? And how do the small trees survive when they are surrounded by bigger ones and never reach the sunlight? How can seedlings become strong, tall trees, and how do trees protect themselves? The answer lies in a magical network, the Wood Wide Web. Just like the World Wide Web that allows us to talk and communicate with people all across the world through certain central points, the forest has a similar network. The central points in the forest are mother trees, and they send out support to the smaller ones. With the help of the fungi, individual trees are connected through an underground network where essential nutrients, minerals, water, carbon, and nitrogen are shared. Like this, a forest can thrive and send help whenever and wherever it's needed. If a tree gets attacked, a signal is sent to neighboring trees, and they will be ready when the enemy comes to them. And in this case, the tree sends out a chemical that makes the leaves taste bitter. In Sahaja Yoga, we also have an inner network that works quite similarly. Rather than fungi to connect us, we have vibrations. Our mother tree is represented by our subtle system through which our vibrations flow. And when they flow, we are not only connected with the great mother tree, which is of course Shrimataji, but also to other yogis through the larger yogi vibrational network. When this happens, all our vibrations work together to cleanse us, nurture us, and provide us with blessings, inspiration, and, let's face it, the occasional challenge. But when we face challenges, we automatically receive extra vibrations and special divine support to be able to work through those. Depending on the challenge, it might not be as joy-filled as other occasions, but once we conquer it, we do feel amazing and can give back to the vibrational network so that our strength, love, and experience is available for someone else who might need to use it. Our collective experiences and wisdom is saved in the Yogi network, and it is accessible to us 24/7. Of course, it is up to each one of us to stay in the network or not. At any time, we can decide to separate. That mostly happens if we get scared to face ourselves, or if we feel guilty. But if we stay within the Yogi network, we have access to the best nourishment and endless joy, so that we can grow into strong trees of spirituality.
This divine love is so great and so powerful, at the same time so very gentle, that you can see the nature how the trees grow. Every leaf gets the sunshine. Every tree has its own position. We have to learn so much from the nature, because nature is bound with that love. Nature has no aggressiveness. It is just under the complete control of the divine love. With this understanding, you should also know that when you are getting to such yogis, what should be your attitude? How you should move, how you should talk to them, how you should understand them, how you should express your love. This is quite possible now. It's not difficult. You should not be afraid, not feel shy. But in a sweet manner, you can talk to them, you can communicate with them, you can tell them. Because this was the time. This was to happen. That's the reason Adi Shakti had to come. Without her, it would not have been possible. All other incarnations were there. But firstly, they were only on one chakra. And another one was there to establish themselves with other people around. They did try, they worked it out, but it didn't really work in the real sense of the word. So, Adi Shakti had to come, who has all of them with her. They are all with us, all the time wanting to help you, to do everything that you want to achieve. It is there where this holy vibrations are with you. For every kind of good work you want to do, any kind of sahaj work you want to do, these vibrations will definitely be there to guide you, to help you, to support you, and to love you. You will be amazed how people, when they start working for Sahaja Yoga, how they are blessed from every angle. So one has to decide in their own minds that all your dreams have to come true. So only thing what you have to do is to know only that your purpose of life is to spread Sahaja Yoga. Even now, many Sahaja Yogis write to me, Mother, this is happening to me, that is happening, my father like that, mother like that. But very few. Practically this is over now. They used to write, I should say, all such letters. But now I think they are all being perfected, I don't know what has happened. It's a very unique time where there's light everywhere. The nature is absolutely with you. You can see how nature acts, how it is trying to help you and support you, and how it wants to work out everything for you. It is to be just understood and felt that you are something very special and that you have all the help, every one of you. It's not one person, 2%. It's not 10 persons group. It's the whole lot, as if the whole ocean is there to help you to swim over, to save so many. You haven't seen such an ocean where there is so much depth and all the waves try to save you, to make you float in the realm of joy.
Attention, Now we have a carton.
Cartoon. It's called cartoon.
Attention. Now we have a carton.
Our Majesty the King has ordered to cut down every tree in the kingdom. Oh no! Oh, why did he order that? Oh, he was jealous of the fact that the trees had bigger crowns than him. Thank you for watching our video. Sri Mataji's words are the true source of our knowledge. We hope they have been communicated in the right context for our series on advanced Sahaja Yoga themes. Please subscribe so you can join us next time when we present a new topic. Jai Shri Mataji.